Morning and welcome to today's video. In this video we will be making snails. A snail family, a snail party, snails. You will need a pencil, scissors, green paper, other colored paper, glue, and assorted colors. Let's get started. On your green page, draw out some big leaves. Then use your colors to color it in or outline it. Great, when you are ready, cut them out. Put the leaves aside for now. Take a colored page and draw a line down the end. At the top, draw a U shape with little balls on top. Then add a smile. Do this for as many snails as you want. When you are ready, cut them out. Great, let's accessorize. Draw out things for your snail to wear. Bows, ties, hats, crowns, jewelry. Be creative. Add color. Cut them out. And stick them onto your snail. Let's roll your snail up. Turn the page over and roll up from the bottom. Be sure to stop before you get to the head. Great, let's stick him onto leaves. And there is your snail. Let's give him some friends. Snail party, snail family, snail friends, snails, 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 happy art making. Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. Heart Studio would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let us know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send us a picture or tag us so we can see what you made. You can also visit our profile to see other art videos, or click on one of the suggested tutorials on the screen. I hope you enjoyed!